In this video, I'll show you how to hide and unhide properties in Notion. Is your Notion workspace feeling a little too crowded? Let's clean it up. So to get started, go ahead and open Notion into your device. You can use whatever browser you prefer to use. Now, once you're on Notion, sign into your account, head over into the workspace where you prefer to hide or unhide properties from. Scroll down and head over into that section where you want to hide or unhide properties. Now, once you're on the section, go ahead and click on this settings icon at the top right of that, and you'll be able to find property visibility. So click on property visibility from here, and then make sure to click on show all under the hidden in table to unhide properties. And to hide properties, you need to click on this hide all button at the right side of the shown in table. So that is how you can hide and unhide properties in Notion. So this works for databases that you have on your Notion workspace. Make sure to do that for that workspace. So you can also hide and unhide specific properties that you have on your Notion workspace table if you prefer to do that by simply clicking on that eye icon at the right side of that specific property. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've got a streamlined Notion setup that works for you. Want more tips like this? Hit subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to give this video a like if this video was helpful.